shovel is a specialized archaeological tool named after the place of its production. The forging process of the Luoyang shovel includes cutting steel plates, co-forging, billet forming and hammering, double hammer striking, and molding into square or round shapes. The production process is extremely complicated. Hammering iron is both dirty and exhausting, and it takes over 400 strokes to complete a small shovel, with each step being done entirely by hand. Sun Yingying, a girl raised in a blacksmith shop, is an inheritor of the Luoyang shovel forging technique and is affectionately known as the Iron Lady due to her close connection with the craft.